In this video, I will show you how to install a specific version of a package in Ubuntu using the terminal. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. Now, let's say you want to install a specific version of a package. For this example, I will use the curl package. To see all the available versions, type this command, apt-list-a curl, then press Enter. This command will show you a list of all versions of curl that are available in your system's package sources. Now, choose the version you want from the list. To install it, use this format: sudo apt install package name equals version. Then press Enter. If asked, type your password and press Enter again. Ubuntu will now install that exact version of the package. If you want to stop Ubuntu from automatically upgrading it in the future, you can lock the version. To do that, type sudo apt-mark hold curl, then press Enter. This will keep the package at the version you installed. And that's it. That's how you install a specific version of a package in Ubuntu using the terminal. Thanks for watching.